Hi, Kellene. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are going to be exclusive to you, so you're not going to be playing the game of competing with multiple agents for the same leads, or whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month gets the best leads. They're your leads because it's your site. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here. Now, the only thing, it looks like you do have the Addison group Facebook page separate. I would personally suggest adding to your name or underneath potentially realtor, or somewhere that like people scrolling through Facebook that see your name are going to know you're a realtor without having to dig deep and go, okay, the Addison group, because without, really taking a look, the Addison group could be, architects, who knows what it could be. So I would suggest making it a little bit easier on your personal page, just, hyphen realtor, or, realtor down below or something like that. Or broker or whatever, just something to let everybody know as easy as possible, because as we know, people are lazy, that you're a realtor. And so, but you do have a website, which is good. So localsdoitbetter.com. So obviously you had some foresight when you created this website. You had some intuition. And now the real question is, how many people are finding this site on their own and calling you through it, typing in their name in the fill form, getting texted right to your phone, new leads every day, okay? Only you know that answer, and that's what we want, okay? Just because we have a website doesn't mean much unless the website's working for us. Hey, I got a website, but it doesn't do me any good. It just looks good on the internet when nobody's looking at it, right? So keep that in mind. A couple things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is going to be content. Content is king. Google loves content. The more you have, the better. Now, content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So especially in real estate sites with the IDX feed and all the listing photos, how we save our photos matters. A lot of times when we upload photos to a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. Normally it's like random letters and numbers, or pick one, pick two, pick three. Now, I went through your site. A lot of them are saved as the Addison group. So that's I guess better than random letters and numbers, but there's definitely better things that we could be saving our photos as to help rank our site. It even goes into the size that you save your photos. So just do your homework and keep in mind that how you save your photos matters. Also, as far as the actual words go, we want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page we're trying to rank. So this is your main page. We want to have 1,500 words minimum, okay? Keep that in mind. But you do have a website, and it is clean. So just a little bit of revamp, and you can definitely be well on your way to ranking it. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. And so as you can see, I typed in Ledgewood, New Jersey Realtors, and you guys are here. So sweet. You're in the third position. I like to see that. Obviously, you're doing something right. Now, obviously third, I want to be second, I want to be first. Who knows? How high you want to grow, or that type of stuff. But I would like to point out that your website isn't down here. So even though you are in the top 3 map pack, for Ledgewood, New Jersey Realtors search, your website is actually not here. So definitely some room on your website. And if you do your homework, you can actually see that certain realtors and brokerages actually are on the first page, ranking above Zillow and Remax and all these top dogs because they built their website the right way. And so to go further, this is your Google My Business page. Now, a couple things I want to point out. 18 reviews with a 5.0. That's good. Definitely no complaints on that. We recommend 25 minimum. So just keep pushing those reviews, which I'm sure you're doing. You have a completed profile, which is sweet. And then the photos. So we actually recommend minimum 10 photos, which it looks like you have 10 photos. But again, how are your photos saved? Okay, that's the real question. So we want to make sure that all your photos are saved the correct way. So keep that in mind. Do your homework. 10 photos. Obviously, this Google My Business drive-by photo doesn't count, but you have well above 10. So just go in and just check all your photos and make sure they're saved the right way. Do your homework on that. Get yourself some more citations, and there's a good chance you can be in the second or first position. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So anywhere that localsdoitbetter.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. You actually have 19 backlinks from 6 referring domains, yet you're only ranking for 1 keyword and your domain rating is a 0, okay? That's a 0 out of 100. That leads me to believe that you're not bringing in any leads from your site at all, okay? That leads me to believe that the only way people are finding your website is if they see it on your business card or you tell them the name of the website, which in that case, you did the work. The site didn't do the work, okay? So keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. We want our backlinks coming from powerful sites that are relevant to the trade and not spammy, okay? You're in New Jersey. So if you're getting your backlinks from, lawn chairs for sale in Florida, it's going to do no good for you, okay? You want it coming from other sites that are relevant to the trade and not spammy. Keep that in mind. We want to get this domain rating up from a 0 to close to 100 as we possibly can, and we want to see multiple keywords ranking. And so let's see here really quick. Just the 1 keyword you're ranking for is team locals, and you are in the 81st position. So of the 1 keyword you're ranking for, you're actually in the 81st position. So I'm not sure, again, how much value that's actually bringing to you or anybody else for that matter. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website, into your business, into your life to bring you some more leads and in turn money and freedom. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And thanks for watching. Hope this helps.